Here we are at the pond property. There's a fire hydrant and what looks to be a water spigot. So here's that little mountain, and the pond would be here, but this seems like it floods with a lot of water. So I'm going to take a drive over there. So here you can see that this would definitely be filled with water right in there. And then that little mountain, this little mountain here is part of it. But there are some other realtor signs around, so, and I see those same water spigots, water meters, I guess I should say, around. So I'm going to give the realtor a call. But this is, I mean, it's pretty. I'm not sure if I like it in the valley. There's not much of a view. I mean, it's pretty because it's out kind of outdoorsy. But I don't love that it's down in there like that. Would be much easier for clearing out land or for pads. See, so there's more of that grassy area you can see. I mean, it's cute because it's kind of got rolling hills. But I just don't know about that area down there. When I look at the aerial view, it just looks prime for flooding. Oh no, they have a gate up. I can't go in there. Oh, so annoying. Stupid. Are you gonna have a gate when you have land for sale? Okay, come on. Are you still there?
Yeah, right here.
I found a realtor sign on the property. I think maybe I'll give them a call.
Does it say who the agent is?
It's Carolyn, looks like.
Carolyn who? Never heard of her.
Carolyn Bedwell.
Not a local agent.
And you are a local agent?
Yeah, I'm right in the whole area.
Oh. Yeah, it's this property has a pond on it. It's 40 acres. But it's all locked up. It's been on the market for over 400 days.
And is it a cabin or a home or land?
No, it's just land. It's just land.
I'm not finding anything even in Zillow, so I don't know what it is.
Okay, I'll just try something else. Thanks, Mike.
Okay, you're welcome.
What was that? So in Zillow, you can connect with an agent. And they connected me, but it sounded really weird. That guy seems suspicious. So now there's some signs. I'm gonna call them and see what it is. This is ridiculous. At first sight, I like this because it's like, could be a little community of boxables or whatever. But there are other properties nearby. I'm just not sure about that floodplain area. Okay, and the agriculture zoning. Let me call the actual agent.
This is Carlin Bedwell with Sorry I missed your call. Please leave a message with your name and number so I may get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you.
Hi, Carolyn. My name is Rachel Hall. I'm calling about the property that is 40 acres with the little pond. I'm in the area now and the gate is locked. I'm just curious to know if it's possible to get inside the property. I want to check out that hill up there. And then I see you also have properties nearby. And I'm curious to know the acreage on those and pricing and everything. If you could give me a call back, my number is again, my name is Rachel, Rachel Hall, Hall. Thank you. Bye. Well, okay, so that's a bust. There's a fence all the way around it. There's another gate right here, and it's locked. I kind of want to go to now. I mean, I might as well go check out a village that's like a little town not too far away. Well, what time is it? I'm going to look to see what free camping is nearby, if there's anything. So the creek must be, or the pond must be back there. And then here we have this whole little plain area that would fill up with water. And then this, maybe this is just man-made, but that and is that big, huge creek, stream, river that I saw from the Google Maps. And it looks like it's been a while since there's water been in there, but that's a huge chunk of water area. Maybe it's not too bad, but I can't even get in there anyway. So, then it goes across the street here. And then it goes across the street here. That looks like a full-on lake if it's ever full under the road. All right, back to looking at iOverlander. Well, somebody hit a sheep and they pulled it off the side of the road. And then shot it. I've actually wondered that before. Yeah, there it is. If you hit something, you know, like in a state that allows guns, you just shoot it. I think that's the most humane thing to do. Oh, there's a ton of sheep around here. Guess it didn't hit it hard enough. That's rough. Anywho, yeah, that was something else. I don't know who shot it, but that... Dang, dude. I think he was, they're everywhere. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen sheep like this. There's a ton. But yeah, I've wondered that. Just shoot it. So I have my gun with me. Whew. That'd be tough, but I did kill 2 muskrats. I'm sure people laugh at that. That's pathetic. But my mom's property, water rats, they deserve to die. I hit one with a pole, actually one of my solar mounting brackets, and then I drowned the other one. It took a while. So I feel like I could shoot something quick and be done. So anyway, yep, got a place to stay for tonight and hit really our last property because the pond property isn't happening. So that's it.